In this video, we'll show how to copy PDF bookmarks from one document to another using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tutorial will show how to copy all bookmarks from one PDF document to another while keeping the bookmarks to point to the correct pages. Bookmarks can be copied if two documents share the same document structure and the same page numbers. Bookmarks can be adjusted in case if the destination document has a different number of pages. Page numbers pointed by bookmarks can be incremented or decremented by a user-specified number of pages. For our first example, we have two PDF documents with the same structure and same number of pages. As you can see, one PDF document does not have any bookmarks, while the other one does. To copy the bookmarks from one PDF to the other, navigate to the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen and click on the Plugins button. Then click on Bookmarks button and click on the Copy From menu. Here, select the document you want to copy the bookmarks from and make sure to specify 0 page offset. Press on the OK button to copy the bookmarks. You can now inspect the output to make sure that the bookmarks have been copied correctly. Now for the second example, the destination document has two more pages in the beginning of the document, so we will need to adjust the bookmarks by 2 pages. To do this, once again click on the Menu button, then on the Plugins button, then select the Copy From option. In this menu, select the document to copy bookmarks from and make sure to specify a 2-page offset. Click on the OK button to copy the bookmarks. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.